Okay, hi guys. We're another Polly video. That one you gonna get the water. That's a big one, space. You can auto learn like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, blah blah blah. Getting used to it. Whoa! Let's have a cool planet. Polly Pocket. I also like watching Polly. Whoa! You have stickers you're gonna put. Stickers. I'm gonna not put it because might be ugly. Whoa! It's Tony! Hi, Ton. Did you know she's a learning girl? You know? She's a tiebreaker of learning. Outer space! Whoa, we have 2 of those. Now we have another cooler one. We can use all the Tonys to be blushing. Oh no, it can't get out. It's okay. Volcano. Whoa. That might be in a different planet. Cool. The helmet in the rocket. Whoa, an alien. La la la. Blah blah blah. Whoa, it can change. I didn't know that. That's a secret. Did you know Tony can tick there at the outer space spinning? Cool. I'll open it. Oh, that's her helmet. This is space. Cool. She's gonna wear it. Did you know that Tony is a learning? He's a tiebreaker of space. They love that. Although aliens are her friend. Whoa, cool. That's way cooler than my sister's Tony. Oh no, it's blurry. Sorry guys, it's blurry. The blah. Oh, there it is. You see her in outer space. Space one. With her best friend of them all. Her first friend was that alien. Cool. That's a cool one, guys. This is my favorite so far, but way more cooler. I want excited that next video. Bye. Hi guys, another Polly surprise. Is that cool? Because you need to put it on water. YouTube. You can check on her account in YouTube because I'm so famous of her, but I don't spell a lot though. I'm getting used to it. Let's open it with our handy dandy teethers. It's cute, right? No. Comment down below if this is your favorite or that one, the space one, okay? Cool! So many things. Is the tiebreaker things? Ha, I know. Cool dolphin. Oh, that's where you add in water. Water.
Mami ko na nag-water.
Whoa. Her things. Is the tiebreaker things? Comment down below if you think of that. Oh, like our other game, but what's the character for? I guess we're gonna know if we play it. Cool hair. I think that Polly does paint her hair. I don't know who that is. That girl. Maybe the mommy of Polly. Yes, that is mommy of Polly. That's Polly's mom. I recognize your face, miss. Oh, it's gonna be in there.
Gonna put some water.
Bye.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, sorry guys, we paused it because we just got water. See, we're putting it right now. Be careful guys, you might drip it. So, be in a TR. A bathroom. Aww, so cute. It's cute with water. You know you're gonna press that and put it in the animal thingy. I don't know what animal is that. Thing. See? So cute even though. I can cuddle it. I want to cuddle it. Don't pop. Oh no, you might drip it on your laptop. So you're gonna... Okay guys, sorry, we paused that. Ah! Squishy, mishy, yalla, yishy. Hi! Cool. Like a video game. Oh! Explosion, no batty. Goodbye, guys.